my coins on this Glam bag. Was popping beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela, also known as Popping Pigments, and in today's video I will be reviewing the Glam bag from Cake Face Beauty 246. So this is the Glam bag from Cake Face Beauty, and inside you have 4 to 5 products. I already opened it because I was excited, okay? It retails for 50 Barbados dollars. So let's open up and see what's inside. So the first item I got is a palette, and is a Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions dupe. And in Barbados, our mini travel size palettes like this here just retail for $40. And the Glam bag costs $50. So you do the math, and we on item number 1, okay? Yep, okay. Second item I have is a beauty blender and a mini beauty blender. And I'm excited about the mini beauty blender because it's like, I can talk to y'all. I don't need to do ugly faces anymore. Y'all already know you can never have too much beauty blenders. The second item I received is some lashes for you. Do not tell me that y'all could get lashes for $5 because are they quality though? The next item I got is a highlighter. Y'all already know I had to test this on my hand. I was just like, let me just see what's going on. Let me see what's going on, honey. It's a nice low. And then the last item inside is a setting spray. I want to just smell this. It has a smell like, I don't know. I keep spraying this. I'm just trying to pick up the smell. It's a smell there, but it's not strong, and that's why I like, because sometimes it got some setting spray that's made up. So y'all, I don't know if I'm about to do something incredibly stupid or if I'm about to put myself on. But Jackie Aina does do, she base first and then do the eyes, and I was just like, I want to be like Jackie. So that's what I can do first, just to focus on the palette and the lashes and the beauty blenders and stuff like that I received in the Glam bag. So this will not be a tutorial. What I always do is just set my primer. I like to set my primer, okay? Set the primer. And I realize that is really locking that moisture, you get me? We're not sweating, okay? We are not sweating, period. So you just like to lock in that moisture, set the primer. It's a lot on my nose because my nose be tripping, my nose be sweating. So pretty much I set in my T-zone, pretty much. She also gave me 4 other lashes. She also gave me a buffing brush. I love this. It's pretty sturdy, and the bristles are soft. You want something sturdy, but like not too hard on your face. She also gave me 2 other lippies, a dark purple and a light purple. So yeah, this is the lippies. Oh, you hope the palette does not have fallout, because if the palette got fallout, it can be a mess. So we shall see, you know. We shall see what happening. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up the top of my brows and do my foreheads. Okay, so now that I have added some concealer, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend out all of that concealer on my highlighted areas. I honestly don't know how beauty influencers does look cute while blending out concealer and like blending out, like doing certain things. I don't know, man. I just look disoriented. That's the only thing they could see. So now that I have the concealer blended the way how I like, I'm gonna go back in with the small one just to take out any creasing. I'm just gonna take the big one and set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye. We can just do that all over the face, just set all the areas where we put on concealer. Just set it, honey. I'm not putting a highlight on my eyebrows and stuff like that. I'm gonna set up here too. I'm just gonna go down the side of my nose just to do a little slight contour. So we're moving on to my favorite part, highlighter. Honey, baby, no. Kidding. Look, the camera called picking this up. Look at that highlight. Don't talk to me anyhow. This is crazy. So now that we're done with the skin, I'm gonna move on to the palette. So now that I have my eyes set, I'm gonna set underneath my eyes again just to catch any fallout, because I am afraid of fallout, which is why I don't do my base first, but we just wanted to see what was crack-a-lacking with the palette, so we can see if we got some fallout today. So the first color in the palette I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into the pink, or maybe I should go into this pink. I'm going to use this pink, the dark pink in the palette. I'm going to take a brush and just tap on that dark pink. It has some good color payoff from what I can see. I'm seeing no fallout, guys. No fallout. We might have just did something. So the next color that I'm going into from the palette is this red shade right here. Just to deepen out the crease a little bit, we can tap that directly under the pink. We don't have no fallout, y'all. Even if this look come out trash, we ain't got no fallout, so that's a win in my books. Cause I was scared. I was like, yo, we can got some fallout, but we ain't got no fallout from the palette, and we got pigment and no fallout. So that is definitely a plus. I'm going to go into is the dark green. This dark green is not blending. I'm just going back into the red shade just to blend out the edges of that dark green. I would say go in with the dark green very lightly because it's not the easiest shade to blend, which is usually the case with many dark colors anyway. You have a little harder time blending them, so you just want to go in with a light hand and really blend it out. So I'm going to go into the green right next to the dark green, the shimmer shade. I'm just going to apply that on the lid. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. So I'm just applying this shade and it's pretty. I haven't even dipped back into the pan yet. And we just cover the whole lid. Is really cute. I really like this color a lot. I'm gonna take some of that green back again. I'm just gonna just so it's a smooth transition from shimmer to matte. You can add this dark blue just to really make it look like the ocean. So now that I have completed the eyes, I'm going to do some liner and we're going to get into the lashes. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using today. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to take the red shade from the palette and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray it on my face with some setting spray. What I can definitely say about that setting spray is it's really lightweight. I don't feel like I got setting spray on my face. Like, it's extremely lightweight. I'm gonna add some of that same highlighter into my inner corner. Just to really brighten that up. I'm done with everything. I'm just gonna apply some of this highlight on my shoulders. See that I just bronzed up the shoulders, honey. So when you're going to the beach, or you faint, just add a little, go get the collarbones too, honey. When you're fat, or when you're getting fat. Gotta suck it in. You gotta suck in to get the collarbones to come up, but that don't matter. That don't matter. You get me? That don't matter. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's cute. It's not too simple, not too dramatic, and y'all know it could get pretty crazy when they're doing looks, and I love it. I love the lashes. the highlight. I love the beauty blenders. I love the palette. I love everything. I love everything. Now, would I recommend you to buy a Glam bag? Definitely, because you're paying $50 for a palette, lashes, beauty blenders, highlight, and setting spray. Tell me where in Barbados you can see that happening. Oh wait. Nowhere. Like, you cannot go in a makeup store and get 5 products for $50. It just ain't happening in Barbados. It just ain't happening. You can go in the beauty supply store, that still ain't happening. Period. Like, I'm sorry. So I would definitely recommend the Glam bag. I think this for every starter girl. If you're a makeup artist, you could try new products. You can never have too much makeup as a makeup artist. You can never have too much utensils. You can get brushes, you can get beauty blenders, all sort of things in these packages. You can get setting spray, primers, eyeshadow base, palettes. Like, the possibilities are endless. You can get skincare as well. Like, if you want more products, you could get the Glam Plus, which is $60 for 6 to 7 products. You could also get the Glam Deluxe package, which is $85 for 7 to 9 products. Like, and if you don't like makeup, that's okay, because it's like, you could try a thing. Like, you could be at home, you could be like, yo, this could be something exciting, something creative, to just create a nice little look. You could do anything. This for everybody. Now, will I spend my coins on this Glam bag? I definitely will be purchasing a Glam bag. And what I like about her is that you could request one product. So if you see a product in the Glam bag that you would like, you could be like, yo, I want this product in my Glam bag, and it's personalized to you. She's asked you what you like, what you don't like, and you could just tell and she's gonna personally make that bag for you. It's personal. It's a personal experience, honey. Like, you can't get no better. You can't do no better. Period. I definitely want to try out the Glam Plus and the Glam Deluxe package. So if you want me to try out those, just tell me in the comments down below. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam bam. Join the popping beauties. Join us. Period. Like, period. Join the family. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads. And remember to stay popping. Bye.